If you want me to learn, show me, don't tell me.
Just participated in this all-day professional development with students where they got to learn about the Metaverse, the VR experience. They got to learn how this is an additional tool. We're able to interact with the individuals that were recognized in Los Angeles as change makers. The concept of an additional tool in addition to reading, discussing, but being completely immersed is something that is going to completely change the way we present information to students. And I truly hope that this expands more at Jefferson and also in LA Unified.
I feel as soon as I got on the VR, it was pretty cool. Like a bunch of different pictures, and then the stories were just so intriguing, and I found it to be interesting.
The partnership between the Getty and Exponential Destiny and taking the content of the Human Atlas and translating that to the Metaverse so that there is another way for students to access this information, to learn about the people in their community that are doing positive things, is something that the students recognize they were completely engaged. They were on their headsets, they were interacting with the environment, they were interacting with the change maker that was presented, and it's going to be an amazing tool that the students can access as an additional way to get information.
We read your Changemaker assignments that you submitted. We are doing research and you are assisting us in determining the effectiveness of using VR as another tool in the classroom. We are going to donate headsets to your school so that you may create a club to help your school use this tool for learning.